$5, biggest fish.
You still owe me $1.
Oh, $6. I'm good for it. Oh.
Need to put my plastic worm on somewhere.
Yee! Dude, our hook sets are gonna be legendary with these rods. It looks a lot better with the braid on it than it does with the mono, because it's not ripping that line up out of the water and making all that splash.
Yeah. So what do I do if this gets tangled?
I really don't know. Just pick it out like a normal backlash, I guess.
What a fish.
That is a nice one. I'm gonna be all tangled up on your line, buddy.
You are?
I'm about to be.
Yeah, I don't know how to.
That's a good one.
Yes.
Nice, buddy. Heck yeah.
You'll have to.
You got your scales? We're gonna weigh him.
Yeah, I got it.
That hook set was nice too. You can. Oh man, that's awesome. 7.
At least.
I don't think he's bigger than that. He's big. He's big fish. Yeah, oh yeah. That was fun. That was worth the trip right there.
You hit it like crazy that second time.
Good hook set too. Seven on the 722. 7.22. Nice big fish. That's a good looking. This is a good looking frog.
Oh yeah.
It pops really nicely.
Popped really well.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Oof. That was weird.
That was really weird.
He just splashed at it, didn't really take it.
Hit it at all.
Mm-hmm. Dude, this braid cast so nice.
Yes, it does.
There you go, sticky. Did you? What? Let me bend those hooks some? Has that one already been bit?
Dude, I'm telling you, even with the light setup, it's hard.
It's so hard.
It's so difficult.
They turning on now though, boy.
Drag tighter. Drag your slip.
You need a little drag. Good one?
I don't know. He's flattened on. Not a bad one.
Not a bad one. Nice work, buddy. Good stick.
You may have to go to that spot y'all were at and then
Get him.
I never had him hooked.
Yeah, he swam right at us.
He literally, I never had a chance because it was just slack the whole time.
Mm-hmm. Even with a 9.5, that's crazy. Do they make a 15-to-1 rod?
He just had it in his mouth. I never even really felt That was a good fish.
He looked good. It looked like he was swimming with it for a minute.
He definitely was. I was trying to get another hook set on him.
Yeah.
If I could catch up.
You couldn't catch. Yeah, you couldn't catch up with him. For sure. Never got him set. Pull drag. I didn't tighten him back up. I don't know why it was loose. I had it set on that other fish. I guess not. Maybe not.
That's the play, Josh. Try.
The rattle trap? Nah. Black worm. Black and blue worm, baby. Gonna catch that one that you've been struggling with. It's atrocious, isn't it?
That's actually atrocious. There goes my eyeball.
Mostly the back of your head, really. That's a fish.
You're using 3/16 or
Yeah. Whatever that size is. Might be a quarter.
3/16.
Dude, these fish must get sore.
Yeah, don't you play with this braid and this heavy rod. Oh, come on. You're coming, the moss is coming. The lake's coming.
Just keep him tensioned.
Yeah,
you thought.
with the moss.
You got him or you want a net? Just pick him up. Yeah, I mean, that you definitely break 15-pound line, that's for sure. Way more solid than it was a few days ago. Yeah. Because I don't horse them. No, I'm just kidding.
Nah, it's not even that for me, they're just gone.
Yeah, no, they really... Oh, you did it again? Yeah, no, once they get wrapped, they're just... Yeah. Nice little monster, moss monster.
To that visibility that you're talking about.
What's that?
Because it's like I was throwing over the ground.
Yeah.
But then I threw like to the side of the ground.
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Talk about being spoiled. I'll take that one though, I guess. Oh, you didn't have to splash me like that, bro. Aggressive little tyke. Nothing big. Oh, he just doesn't know he's hooked yet. Yeah, throw all that moss off. Appreciate it. Yeah, he just didn't know he was in trouble. Nothing big though. We have found these size fish, that's for sure.
Yeah, we have. Which is really weird to me, because I've just about never found these size fish.
Need to change the spinning reel to braid. It would cast so much better, even better than it does.
Think so?
Yeah, it'd be nice.
The moss is absolutely wild.
I'm about to tear him up on Wacky on the bank. Maybe not.
Hey now.
Maybe not a big fish, but big for this rod.
Bro's going out to sea.
Taking us with him.
Let me see.
I ain't done anything with him, hardly.
I don't know whether to get the net or not.
Get the net, for real.
Do what?
Get the net.
Alright.
That's a dude. That's a dude. That's a good gosh.
Oh yeah, nice one.
It's as big as the other one. Maybe bigger.
I say 7, 7.5.
Not as big as the other one. 665. Big fish for 6 pounds. $6.65. Well, not as big as the last one. Big fish.
Long fish.
Yep. He was a monster a couple of months ago.
One after the other. But lately it hasn't been as good. Don't know why. They're hitting that wacky.
Mm-hmm. Oh. I need to put braid on, dude. Jeez.
What pound is it?
10.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't tear it. He just wore it out that last.
Good fish.
Yes, sir.
Dang.
Tail walk for the camera one time. Just bring them to me. I got you. Nice fish. Yeah, man. That's a stud right there, bro. Can you move your fingers down so you can see his belly? Oh yeah, no way. You didn't weigh him? 6-ish? 6 something?
I'm saying 6,
Yeah.
6.5.
Yeah, about like that. That one I call. Did you see that cast?
You're looking for bigger.
Nice. You're doing a great job driving the boat, and I appreciate you.
Appreciate it. I do my best. I get a little bit distracted at times.
No, you're good, bro.
Keep this one.
No.
If you want to, but it's so out of
No.
That's a 2-pound fish.
Yeah.
Think a rattle trap would be a move?
Maybe. It's kind of a really still dead day. Usually that means plastics are your best bet.
Yeah,
but you never know.
I'm trying to overcomplicate things.
Well, I mean, you gotta change things up to catch fish, but you found that one, so.
Double?
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Not as big as yours, though.
Mine's maybe 3 or 4.
Oh. Nice. Ooh, that water feels good. About the same fish.
Yep.
Like literally. These are. Lost my bait, of course, because they hate me. There's a fish in that weeds right there, just broiling. Sweet. Yeah, nothing not hitting it right on the bank.
I don't seem to be.
Oh my gosh, what? How did that happen?
I just grabbed the line, which I shouldn't have done, but
Yeah, but still, like,
I'm telling you,
that line
this
is trash. Yeah, that line is absolute trash. It's probably got UV damage, honestly.
Well, I've only fished it about 9 times.
Yeah. No, you don't. I wouldn't put anything else on that rod.
It's probably got a lot of damage in general. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking you got a fish. Can't believe I broke that joker off. It's craziness. $5 feet, you said? Yeesh. Brush hog's always the move.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, buddy. I don't know. Whatever you want to do. He's gonna have swallowed that one. It was out there so long. Jeez. Pretty strong fish. Four? Nice one. Fun to catch. That may be my favorite size fish to catch. Like 4.5 to 5, 4 to 5. Is like,
yeah.
They just have so much energy. You know what I mean? I might have overheated one. Nice fish.
Appreciate that.
You get a scale or a picture or anything?
I'm just gonna take a little snap of it. You know the drill.
It's like just a 6.5.
Little flex on you, boys.
Mm-hmm. It might be rattle trap season. Be careful, that last one probably frayed your line. Hmm?
I loosened up my drag.
Easy peasy.
Thank you.
Yeah. Where was that one? Right there.
Right off the grass again.
Now I want to catch one more. I was happy, but now I'm not happy anymore. Best size fish in the lake.
Yep.
Dude, I remember when I bought my first bait caster when I was like 14. My dad didn't fish. Dude, I threw. All I did was bird's nest it, like to the point I could not use it.
Mm-hmm.
It was terrible.
You finally figure out how to use it?
I mean, one would hope.
No, not now.
I mean, it took a good long time.
It's not the easiest thing to get the hang of.
No. Honestly, I didn't get good at it until after I was fishing with y'all.
Dude, yeah, I mean, it's seriously a mastery.
Yeah.
And getting to throw it is like without it backlashing, that's step one.
Yeah.
Then you got to figure out what does what to get it to go to the right spots.
Well, maybe I don't have it mastered because I still have trouble with that sometimes. Yep. Gotta get back out there. See if he's got a Senko in him. Nice, man. They're tearing that thing up now. Come off or break it?
Yeah, you got
Yep. Dang.
I was going to release him anyway.
Are you?
Yeah, he was too big.
Well, yeah, I mean, but how big was he?
3 or 4.
Oh. They don't want the fluke anymore. They're on the side of the lake.
Well, we caught what? 40 at least, right? 30?
No.
30 at least, right?
Yeah, 30.
Definitely 30.
31.
Oh.
30.
That's not right.
Why'd he do it to me right there?
I don't know. I had to make another cast just because that was disrespectful.
Mm-hmm. There we go.
One more for the road.
Yoogie.
This is that line I fished.
Mm-hmm.
But just a little bit deeper.
You're good. Just do what you need to do.
Are you satisfied, partner? You want
Buddy, I'm taking another loop.
whatever?
Let's go fish the dock one time.
We can fish that.
I'm kidding, bro. Let's go. I've been good. I'm chilling.